Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So parental controls lets you restrict what can be watched or purchased, ensuring a safer viewing experience for kids and better control over your accounts. So first thing first, open Prime Video settings. Okay, so launch Prime game, make sure you are signed in whether you are using the website or laptop or the phone, which means Android or iOS. Okay, so go to your profile here, okay, profile icon. Go to settings, okay, this is where parental controls are located. Go to parental controls, so you must find it here, okay. Otherwise you can look for it in the manage profiles, okay, edit, okay, choose a account that you want to parental control it. So you can set a pin, okay, so profile pin and locks, like tap this option, okay, so create a 4 to 5 digits pin. Confirm your pin. It's required to change or bypass restrictions. Set viewing restrictions, like choose content rating limits for example general, teen, adults. So apply restrictions to all devices or selected devices. It blocks content above selected rating, okay. Restrict purchases, like enable pin required for purchases, like it prevents accidental or unauthorized buying. So, and save and apply, and that's it. Confirm your settings. Restrictions are now active, okay. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.